Greenland's ice sheet is melting fast, and scientists now believe the real danger may lie in what that meltwater is doing to the Atlantic Ocean. This summer, an international research team is heading deep into Greenland's fjords to investigate a potential climate tipping point. Their goal is to measure how quickly meltwater from collapsing glaciers is pouring into the North Atlantic, and what that could trigger next. The concern centers on a major ocean circulation system that regulates temperatures across Europe and North America. The system works because cold, salty water sinks in the North Atlantic, pulling warmer water northward from the tropics. Greenland is releasing vast amounts of fresh water into that same region. Fresh water is lighter than salt water, and when enough spreads across the surface, it can act like a lid, disrupting the sinking process that keeps the circulation moving. Scientists warn this could weaken a critical North Atlantic current within decades. Some projections suggest major changes could begin as early as the 2040s. Researchers will deploy drones, robotic submarines, satellites, and sensors drilled directly into glaciers to track melting and ocean conditions in real time. Their objective is to build the first early warning system capable of detecting sudden glacier collapse and rapid freshwater surges into the Atlantic. What happens in Greenland can influence the entire North Atlantic climate system. Scientists are racing to understand the process before it accelerates beyond prediction.